In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create drop-down navigation on your Squarespace website. A drop-down menu is a great way to keep your navigation clean while still giving visitors quick access to related pages. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a tidy, professional menu that's easy to manage and looks great on desktop and mobile. Start by going to your website and signing in to your Squarespace account. From your dashboard, open the site you want to edit so you're working in the right place. If you manage multiple sites, double-check you've selected the correct one before moving on. Next, click Edit Site. This takes you into the visual editor, where changes happen in real time. You'll see your page preview on the right and your site controls on the left. If you only see a preview without editing options, make sure you're in editing mode and that you have permission to make changes. Now, open the Pages panel. This panel is your site's map. It shows your main navigation at the top, where your primary menu lives, and any secondary areas beneath it. This is where you'll set up the drop-down and manage what appears inside it. Look for the highlighted control to add something new to your navigation. Depending on your template, that may look like a plus icon or an add button next to main navigation. Click that highlighted button to create a new navigation item. Choose Dropdown. Squarespace will add a drop-down container to your navigation. Think of it as a folder that will hold the links you want to reveal when someone hovers or taps on the menu title. It won't create any pages by itself, it simply organizes the ones you place under it. Finally, click the highlighted field to name your drop-down. Give it a clear, concise label. Something like Services, Resources, or Shop works well. Short names are easier to read and fit better on smaller screens. Press Enter when you're done naming it. At this point, your drop-down is created and ready to organize. If you're planning your structure, keep related items grouped logically and avoid overloading the menu. 5 to 7 items is a comfortable range for most visitors. Remember that designs vary by template, so drop-downs may open on hover for desktop and expand on tap for mobile. Use the preview options to check how it behaves across devices and ensure the label doesn't wrap awkwardly. Changes typically save automatically, but give the page a moment to sync before closing the editor. That's it. Your drop-down navigation is set up and ready to make your site easier to explore.